Okay, let's try and do a 45. We'll have a look and see how we get on. Okay, we'll start off with a tune of micro-healed Valk schematics. They've been healed for about 1 second each. We'll take the towers out. So we'll just go for the left hand side first. So, here goes. I apologise for that pop up there, but we'll keep going. I'll have to keep alternating between these towers, unfortunately, but we get there. Okay, that's the first two out. What I'll do is I'll nip across and do the ones on the right just to try and get the bonus. So, same again with these two. This side, I don't know why, but I seem to be able to target the front tower and the splash kills the back one, so that works. Okay, there's only one left. So we're almost there with the towers now. Just about finished with the Valks. And that's it. So retreat them. And I'll bring in Hailstorms in. Of course I've got the stupid slow Hailstorms, but it still work. And what we're going to do is splash everything along this wall. But you have to watch out. You have to watch out for the drone silo opening. So when I target with the Hailstorms, I'm holding down the shift key now to make sure it doesn't go past that red block that I've targeted, and I'll keep it held in all the time. Just keep an eye out for in case the Reaper drones come out of the silo. If they do, you have to end the attack quickly. What we'll do is we'll go along the entire length of this wall, get rid of it, and that will kill all the defenders. Stinger's trying to get me there, but never quite made it. We'll just let this end and come back in. So there's no need to send that other tune of Valks away. We might need it, but I don't think so. Back onto the Hailstorms again. So that's it. And again, I keep the shift key held in when I'm targeting, so that the Hailstorms don't fly past the target, which they're prone to doing sometimes. So keep watching for the Reaper drones to see if the silo is open. I have to end the attack. And again, I'm keeping that shift key held down to keep control of the Hailstorms. I'm just having a check because there's usually a Hailstorm left, a Hercules left in this area here, which can be a problem. But we appear to have killed it this time, which is good. There is method in my madness. I know I'm taking ages going along this wall, but I want the whole wall out of the way. You'll see why in a minute. And again, keep an eye on this drone silo in case it opens. And we're almost there. always watch the silo just in case. Okay, that's fine. So I'll take these out of the way and retreat them, because I'm now going to open the silos and I don't want Reaper drones running around and getting hold of my Hellstorms. So on this occasion what we do is bring the Titan up close enough to open up these drone silos, and then when they open I'll put it on stand ground, which is the shield. Watch the blue, here it comes now. You can see the Reapers coming, and the wingmen of the Titan will kill those. And in theory it should take no damage, which it's just the wingmen that are taking all the hits. There you go, you can see it's dead and there's no damage on the Titan. So now I land 8 dogs and I press the fist so that they hunt down all the mines. You'll see what happens. They all go in different directions. If I pressed Ruby, they would all go after the same mine. There was 8 dogs there, but these are level 15, they can hit 4 mines each. You don't particularly need 8 dogs. Okay, I'll retreat them now. Bring in Hellfires, I beg your pardon. And I need to use these because that Herc's still there, but we need them later on anyway, so we're just going to take out the drone silos at the moment. You notice the clock, there was 48 minutes on the timer when we started, so we've only used 13 minutes at this time. It takes roughly about half an hour to do it this way. So get ready to end attack just in case any of these last standers appear. That's fine. I can on this occasion I can actually retreat the Hellfires now, because that Hercules is gone. I can use my Storms to kill the other silo. If that Herc was still there, I wouldn't be able to do this. So, watching this clock, there are only 10 seconds here. Hopefully I can get this silo. Come on. Yeah, I think I got it. So, we'll come back in and we're going to go along the wall again with the Hellstorms. Excuse me. So, Hellstorms again. Here goes. So, I'm using the shift key again when I'm targeting, so that the Hellstorms don't shoot past the target. We'll just go right along the wall again, take out all these defenders and kill the power plants and their last standers, etc. Then it'll leave the Blitz, the rocket silo, and probably that power plant to worry about. Although it's not really a big worry. So we'll use the splash to kill everything here, with the exception of the Hercs probably. But we do still have Hellfires, which we're going to use on the Blitz. We'll kill the Hercs with those. You can see, as long as you're methodical, it should be quite straightforward. Yep, come on, land. If these shells didn't get through there, I could spread the Hellstorms out a little bit, but they'll get through. As you see, there's one side gone. I'm going to try and get this Herc and that power plant if I can. I've got the power plant, that's a biggie, so that's good. Got the Herc as well, so that's better. I'll quickly go to the other end of this wall to get rid of these Hercs because they're slowing me up now. Just shoot these last standers here. Almost got caught out by the last standers, but spotted them just in time. So we're getting there. Come on. Want this wall out of the way. You'll see why in a minute. You've got to watch, don't go too close to the blitz cannons or the rocket silo because they'll outrange your Hellstorms. It's a level 3 blitz, you know that because it's got the 6 missiles protruding from it. Now I think the range on that's 461. We use these Hellfires. From level 9, the range on a Hellfire is 475, so you're outranging the level 3 blitz cannon. These Hellfires have got the Minesweeper treads on them, so if there was any that the dogs missed and I happened to hit one, it would be very, very minimal damage to them. So I just use that block to get them into position. In fact, I'll move them over to the side a little bit if I can. And now I'll use the block. And I'll target the blitz directly. The splash should kill the Hercs. And some people use megas to ram the blitz, but you'll take damage if you do that. You see the Hellfires just outrange them, so there is no damage. So do the same in the rocket silo. You see the clock, we've got plenty of time, and then we'd wasted 12 minutes before we even started, so no problem. Okay, I'll just end the attack because there's only 30 seconds. And that was good timing because there was last standers coming there. We'll go back in, finish that other blitz, and there's a herc to the left of it. That's the one we were talking about before. I'll just come up to the side here. And I'm going to go for that. I'll target the block first, and then I'm going to go for the herc first, then the blitz. And here they come. Okay, I'll get myself up well out of the way of the blitz here and try not to splash the buildings, because if I do splash them when I'm hitting this herc, I'll probably have to end the attack again. So just get ready to end the attack if needs be. Yeah, got to end, so I'll just move them. You have to watch these mortar teams with the Hellfires because they're very hard on them. So, last time. Hellfires again, come across the side a little. We're going to take this blitz out. I'll try and come up to that circular bit there. These Hellfires have got the double barrel thing on them, of course, but normal ones work as well. And you can see that I don't have the elite Hellstorms, so I still don't have any problem getting rid of all the defenders with the old style Hellstorms, so sure anybody can do it. Okay, here goes. Now, again I have to watch out for last standers from that power station, so I'll be aware of that, and I'll hover over the end attack. Just keep my eyes on the power station for the last standers. Press end attack and I turn the Hellfires round, and that makes the attack end quicker. Now I'm finished with them. I'll go back in and it's just Hellstorms all the way now. I'll start at the left hand side and just work my way to the CC. So here goes. And you can see so far the only damage we've taken are Valks, which is you repair for 1 second each, and dogs, which are an instant repair as well. So basically you're not getting any damage doing this. It normally takes about 30 minutes, something like that, 25-30 minutes. This is where you have to watch and not get complacent, for just make sure the last standers don't hit your storms. You just work through this methodically and you shouldn't take a scratch. And again, just to emphasise, I am holding down the shift key as a target with my hailstorms, and I've got it held down at all times so that they don't wander off. Now here's where I'll let go of the shift key so that I can move to open space, because obviously if you hold down shift you can't do that. Now I'll hold it down again and target these last standers. It's looking good to finish it in this attack, it should do. That's how we do the 45. Basically you need just over 2 tunes of Valks and a tune of Hellfires with some dogs in with them, and your Hellfires. If you didn't have a Titan you could use rifles or gats to empty the silos, wouldn't be a problem. As always, you've got to don't take any chances with your hailstorms, because the last standers are very, very hard on them. You get a decent amount of res here as well, 12 million oil, so should be the same in metal. 8 million, well, 12. Right, moment of truth. The treasure chest pops up, you hover your mouse over it and you left click, and in typical Kickseye fashion, I get epoxy 25 medals, but just press keep, and that is how I do the 45. No losses really. Thanks for watching.